Hello everyone, it's been a while having a I'm talking on the video. At the moment I'm in the sea behind the house. I just soak myself in the sea since I don't know how to swim. Yeah, here's my fito. I just soak my fito in the sea. Okay, and this is the view, the building and houses, villas. Oh my god, it's wavy because there's a small boat who passed by earlier and it's so wavy. Yeah, I just want you to be with me here. It's quiet. I don't know where it's the people, but it's a good thing that there's no one in here. And yeah, and yeah, I show you around later. And here there's a boat by. Hope they will not notice that I'm videoing them. Hope so. And yeah, here they are. Hello. Okay, with the Arabic music. That's my view only. Apart from that, this way, this place where I live is it's a way of the airplane. Later on, I'll show you how many planes are gonna pass by. Now it's gonna wavy again because of that. Can you hear that? It's wavy. Okay. That's nice. Oh. It's it's like a real wave. There's another one coming. I hope my phone will not drop. It's fine. It's okay. Oh my god. Because of the boat. Yeah. All done. Be back later. Hi. Now it's getting dark. I have to go inside the house. This is how it looks like when getting dark in here. So it's very quiet. And yeah, hope you can join me soaking yourself in the sea or swimming. And thanks everyone for watching. Please leave a comment and subscribe. Bye. Next time.